guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this awesome cutout design on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to use this for kind of like the background. You don't have to use the same color, but I'm just going to choose this. Then for the overlay, I'm just going to use this on top. I'm just going to go to mask and I'm going to select a heart shape. You can choose any shape you want, and I'm going to reverse that to create like a cutout shape. Then I'm going to add in a black stock video underneath that. Then I'm going to choose the heart shape again. I'm also going to kind of like reverse that, and I'm going to feather it out to create a shadow. Here's the fun part. You can add in shapes and anything underneath the like black shadow. For instance, a star shape, you can add that in. Whoops. Okay, hold on. I need to like scale it up a bit so I can place the mask here. Okay, maybe I should make the mask smaller. And I'm just gonna like place it here, for instance. And then if you want to layer on like another shape, where's that? Media. I'm going to choose like this purple, and I'm going to place it on top, and I'm going to use a mask, and for instance I select the same actually I'm just gonna select the circle, and I'm gonna place it on top of the star shape kinda. I'm going to then add in a shadow because I placed it on top. So I'm just going to copy and paste that. Actually, I'm going to add in then a black stock video underneath that purple. Oops. There. And I'm going to go to mask, and I'm going to select a circle for it, and I'm going to create a shadow because it needs a lot of dimensions, and you're just going to feather it out. You can also add that in to like the star as well. So here I'm just going to add in another black stock video underneath, and I'm going to select a star shape. Is this like bugging a little bit? Why is the background? Oh, wait, where did the pink background go? Okay, there we go. It somehow just disappeared. There. Okay, it didn't disappear. I don't know what happened. And then again, I'm going to add that, and I'm just going to feather it out. It doesn't have to be on like every place of the star. And you can also do that with the text as well. I'm just going to place it like above the purple circle, and I'm just going to type in love. But like, I guess one by one, I'm just going to place it in like random spots here. Also going to change the font as well. And again, you can add in a shadow, but now you can like easily add it here. You don't have to do the rest. Make sure the distance isn't quite far, and you can change the angle as well here. Why is this not underneath? Okay, there we go. Make sure it's underneath the shadow to give it dimension. Like that. Then I'll add E here. Okay, once you're done with that, you're just going to go to effects, and you're going to add in like a print texture or the folds texture on top of it to add like texture, as you can see. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!